Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese Vada Pav, a beloved Indian street food. We will begin by crafting the flavorful potato filling, ensuring it has the perfect balance of spices. Next, I will guide you through preparing the gram flour batter and frying the vada until it is golden and crispy. Finally, we will assemble this delightful snack with soft pav buns, tangy chutneys, and a generous slice of cheese. Get ready to create a truly satisfying treat. To start, boil and mash about 3 medium-sized potatoes until they are smooth and lump-free. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and temper half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add a pinch of asafoetida and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Combine this aromatic tempering with the mashed potatoes, adding salt to taste. Mix well, then shape the mixture into small, golf ball-sized vadas. Now let's prepare the batter for frying. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of gram flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of asafoetida, and salt to taste. Gradually add water, whisking continuously until you achieve a smooth, thick batter that coats the back of a spoon. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Carefully dip each potato ball into the batter, ensuring it is fully coated, then gently drop it into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown and crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes per vada. For the grand finale, let's assemble your cheese Vada Pav. Take a soft pav bun and slice it horizontally, but do not cut it all the way through. Leave one side attached. Spread a generous layer of spicy green chutney on one side and a spoonful of dry garlic chutney on the other. Place a freshly fried, hot vada inside the bun. Now, add a slice of your favorite cheese, allowing it to melt slightly from the vada's warmth. Serve immediately and enjoy this delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.